Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and let me just start by saying this. If you've been avoiding your bookkeeping, you're not lazy. You're not bad at business. You're just human. But today I'm talking about what actually happens when bookkeeping gets ignored, delayed, or pushed off month after month, and why it almost always shows up at the worst possible time. This isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to give you some clarity so you can make better decisions moving forward. Most business owners don't ignore bookkeeping on purpose. It usually happens because they're busy serving their clients. The business is growing faster than they ever expected. The numbers feel overwhelming. Or they're just not sure if they're doing it right. So you tell yourself, I'll just deal with it later. But later has consequences. Consequence number 1 is you don't know if you're actually making money. Okay, this is the biggest issue I see with my clients. When bookkeeping is ignored, the bank balance doesn't always equal the profit. Expenses aren't tracked correctly. Income looks higher than it actually is. Many business owners feel successful while quietly losing money. Without accurate books, you're running your business on complete guesswork. Consequence number 2, tax season becomes panic season. Ignoring bookkeeping turns tax season into an emergency. This often looks like scrambling for receipts, guessing at categories, paying more in taxes than necessary, and very high and expensive cleanup fees, which book cleanups have become my specialty. And the worst of all, it just adds so much stress. Clean books throughout the year make tax season boring. Ignored books make it chaotic. Consequence number 3, cash flow surprises. One day, everything feels fine, and the next day, you're wondering where the money went. Ignored bookkeeping causes missed upcoming expenses, forgotten subscriptions, overestimated income, and that all results in late payments. Cash flow problems rarely come from lack of sales. They actually come from lack of visibility. Consequence number 4, missed tax deductions. When bookkeeping is inconsistent, deductions just kind of get lost. They end up disappearing. Commonly missed deductions include software subscriptions, mileage for your vehicle, home office expenses, and those small, kind of secret recurring charges. You can't deduct what you didn't track, and over time, this all costs real money. Consequence number 5, bad business decisions. Without accurate financial data, pricing decisions are off, hiring happens too soon or way too late, and growth feels risky instead of strategic. Bookkeeping isn't just about compliance, it's really about confidence. Consequence number 6, cleanup costs more than maintenance, and I could not tell you how true this is. It's honestly a hard truth. Fixing ignored books costs way more than maintaining them. Cleanup often means months or years of work, higher professional fees, delays in getting loans, grants, or taxes. Regular bookkeeping prevents expensive cleanup emergencies down the road. Now, what to do if you've been ignoring your books? Okay, first of all, take a deep breath. It's gonna be fine. You're not gonna be behind forever. And here's where to start. Stop the bleeding. Go ahead and start getting those months reconciled and cleaned up. Separate business and personal finances. Make sure you have separate bank accounts and credit cards. Get everything into one system. Personally, I'm certified, as you probably know, with QuickBooks Online. I think it's the best cloud-based accounting software on the market right now. And tip number 4, just tackle it month by month. Don't try to get it all done at once. You're going to get overwhelmed and it's tedious work. You're going to get bored. And don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help if you need it. Progress beats perfection every single time. Ignoring bookkeeping doesn't mean you're failing. It usually means you've outgrown the current workflows and systems that you have in place. Bookkeeping isn't about punishment. It's honestly about peace of mind. And the sooner you face it, the easier everything will become. If this video resonated with you, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. There's also a blog post with all of this information over on my website, edjconsultinggroup.com. That link is in the description. If you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss an upload. And if you need private QuickBooks online coaching or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.